the lazy naturals still want to have thriving hair. They just don't want to have to do all of that stress. Nobody got time for that. They are finding ways to shrink their wash day down as low as possible, so it's easy for them to just take some leave-in conditioner, rub it in like hair cream, and keep it pushing. That is lazy natural hair care. Hi babe, I'm Olamide, and if you've watched any of my recent videos, you know that I'm currently building a hair care brand called NHISE, which stands for Natural Hair is So Easy. And I'm trying to shrink the wash day from however many hours to 15 minutes. Now, I've been talking about this again and again on our Instagram page. And recently, in a video where I was talking about the 15-minute wash day, I got a comment where someone said that even if I wash day is 15 minutes, she would still wash her hair once a month. And the mathematics was not mathematicizing in my brain. Let me make this clear. The whole point that I'm trying to shrink the wash day down to 15 minutes is so that you can do it more often. It has been proven scientifically that the more often you wash and hydrate your hair, the more often you take out that buildup and give your hair and scalp fresh cleansing and fresh moisture, the healthier your hair will become over time. That has been proven. Now, the problem is that wash day currently as it stands takes about 2 to 4 hours, depending on how many things you have to do or how many products that you have in your wardrobe that you want to use on that particular wash day. And so that whole washing your hair weekly is not sustainable, because who has 2 to 4 hours every single week? Ain't nobody got time for that. And so that's why I'm building NHISE, so that you can wash your hair every week, because it only takes 15 minutes. So why in the world would someone say that they are still going to wash their hair just once a month when their wash day is 15 minutes long? Girl, at this point, you're not lazy anymore. You might as well just go and shave your head, because there is just no hope for you. There is a difference between being a lazy natural, not wanting to do all of these things that people make it seem like you have to do in order to grow long, healthy hair. But still, the difference between the lazy naturals and the neglectful ones is that the lazy naturals still want to have thriving hair. They just don't want to have to do all of that stress, right? They don't want to have to do chemists in the kitchen mixing avocado and banana and mayonnaise, right? But they still want to grow long and healthy hair, but they're finding more efficient ways to do it. So instead of doing a 7-step, 8-step, 10-step wash day, they are finding ways to shrink their wash day down as low as possible to still keep their hair in check. They still moisturize their hair in between hairstyles, okay? Don't get it twisted. They might say that they are lazy, but maybe their own laziness is that they can't deal with their hair in its afro state. So they put their hair in protective styles like mini twists and mini braids that they can carry for a longer period of time. But don't get it twisted. They still wash their mini braids and mini twists, okay? They are lazy in the sense that they don't want to have to deal with their hair every single day, where you have to like put your hair in twists at night and then wake up in the morning and then fluff it out and then apply conditioner and then go out and then do that again and again every single day. Some people don't have time for that. Okay, so they would rather put their hair in like mini twists, and then, because their hair is in mini twists, they no longer have to detangle. So it's easy for them to just take some leave-in conditioner, rub it in like hair cream, and keep it pushing. That is lazy natural hair care. But where somebody will come, you wash your hair that one time and then put your hair in mini twists or mini braids and just keep it that way for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 3 months. And this entire time, you're not washing your hair. You're not moisturizing it. The same whatever you did at the beginning when you first did that hairstyle is the only care your hair is ever going to get until you take it out 3 months later. That's not lazy hair care. That is neglect. You completely forgot that your hair exists, and that is all that it is. And natural hair, after like maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks max, if you're lucky, the hair will start getting rough. You don't know what they're going to do. They're not going to wear wig. And this is not me saying that wigs are bad. I wear wigs. I own wigs. I love wigs. My own is that when your hair under the wig is suffering, is struggling, is suffocating, and you don't give a shit because you can just wear wigs and forget about it, that's not lazy hair care. That is neglect. Let us understand the difference. When you neglect your hair gets very dirty, very tangled. And so every time that you now decide that you're not going to wash your hair, you get frustrated. You know why? Because you have 3 months worth of shed hair intertwined with your own hair. So even if you use flaxseed gel to detangle your hair, you will still experience breakage. That's 3 months of shed hair. They've twisted over the last 3 months. They've been doing a lot of twisting and tangling and rubbing together with the hair that is still attached to your head. So no matter how gentle you are, which I don't even think you're really going to be gentle because you are neglectful, no matter how gentle you are with the detangling, you're still going to experience a lot of breakage. And then at the end of the day, your 3 months worth of keeping your hair in a protective style and leaving your hair alone so it can grow is going to be for nothing, because you're still going to lose all of that hair because you did not moisturize. Your hair was dry the entire 3 months. You didn't take care of it. You didn't do anything. You just put your hair in one style and just forgot about it. That is not lazy hair care. That is neglect. Okay, so I need you to understand the difference. There is no issue at all with being a lazy natural. I am a self-proclaimed lazy natural, certified even. But one thing I will never do, one thing you will not catch me doing, is neglecting my hair. I do not like to do pre-poo. Heck, sometimes I don't even like to deep condition. But what I will not do is keep my hair for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks intentionally because I'm a lazy natural. Baby girl, hairstyles come and go. I'm telling you, no matter how much you love a hairstyle when you put it in, you will have to take it down eventually. But do you know what shouldn't be coming and going? Your hair, okay? Yeah, sure. When you wash your hair, in between how long you want to carry it, it gets rough a little quicker. Absolutely, I understand that. But at the end of the day, whether you do it or not, you will still take this hair out. So how do you now want the end result to be? Would you rather not do anything and then eventually take it out and lose half of your hair? Or you do the proper thing, do some maintenance, wash your hair from time to time, moisturize here and there, and then at the end of the day, you actually see some length retention. Which one would you prefer? Please, let's be knowing the difference between being a lazy natural and being completely neglectful about your hair, okay? And I'm trying to make it easy for people to be a lazy natural and still have healthy, thriving hair. The goal with my product line is for you to be able to cleanse and moisturize your hair and scalp with just 3 products in about 15 to 20 minutes max, without like missing out on any nutrients, without missing out on any benefits. Like, your hair is going to be thriving, it's going to be healthy, and you're going to be able to retain a lot of length using just 3 products with 15 to 20 minutes of wash day every week. That is a lazy natural's dream, okay? And if you feel like that is still too much, then you might want to consider exactly which category you fall under, whether you are actually a lazy natural or whether you are just plain neglectful. And if you fall in the neglectful club, girl, you got some soul searching to do, okay? You have to really think about it. Do you really even care about your hair? If not, maybe you go and find solution. You cut it, maybe you relax. I don't know. Please don't be spoiling the lazy natural name for us. There's a difference between being a lazy natural and being just plainly neglectful, okay? So if you would like to join us on the easy side of life, where, you know, us lazy naturals bask in healthy hair without stress, then there is a link to the NHISE waitlist where you join the NHISE inner circle. You get some perks, you get some dibs, you get some things, you know, don't worry. When you sign up, you will get an email that will just download all the gist for you, okay? So make sure you click the link in the description and you sign up. I'll see you there. And thanks for watching this video. That's it for now. Try not to be neglectful to your hair. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.